Hello everyone, let me show you how to insert QR code right inside your Microsoft Word for free. Okay, this is what I have do. Okay, let me delete it and I will show you how you can scan and go redirect to your site. Okay, just go to search box here, just search add in and then it come up with the add in option. Insert an add in, just click it. And then go to store and search for QR, just QR, okay, search for QR. So a lot of QR code inside here available here, and you can use this one that work perfectly and test it. QR for Office, just click it, and then click continue. And then boom, it come out with the option right here. Okay, paste any website. For example, my YouTube channel. The website right here. Right here. My YouTube channel. Okay, let's see after we generate and we scan, can we go or not? Okay, automatically it like this. You can customize the color. For example, you want blue and background you can change to black or whatever you like. Okay, and you can increase the size and error correction. Okay, and click insert. Boom, you get it. Okay, let's see how it works. Let me scan on my phone. Okay, right now I'm on my phone. Just go to camera and add to the QR code here. Just click the link. Boom, it go to my YouTube channel. So here a lot of options inside here. You can go to website, mail to, and geo, SMS, and custom, and telephone. You can customize it. Okay, hope you learned something from the video. See you next time.